Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty is going to be behaving tomorrow on the 19th of May 2021. So let us have a look and see what has actually happened today. What happened today was nothing. So nothing in the candle sticks is actually called as doji. So we had a doji candle over here that was formed right on the top, and it becomes quite critical and very important to see what happens tomorrow. If by any chance Bank Nifty gaps up above this or below this, then we are going to see at least a 1% rise or a 1% correction. So that's a 330 points either on the upside or on the downside. Now on the upside, there is most likely a possibility there is no resistance over here until 35,000 is what I'm seeing. But on the downside as well, there is the first point that it can stop, and that would be somewhere around 33,300. Okay, and if it sustains there, then there is going to be the next target. That would be the low from where it started rallying, but that's too large of a target. But somehow we need to go ahead and understand that these are the critical levels for Bank Nifty tomorrow. Now in terms of Nifty, Nifty has also made a similar point of a candle. Now, usually whenever it is doing this, it usually has a lot of momentum. So its support is still at 15,060. So anything above that, all dips can be bought. And, there are some targets which are on the upside, on a positional basis of somewhere around, 15,322. That will open if it goes above that. But below 15,060, and 15,000, there is going to be a no trading zone. But after that, if 15,000 is being broken by any chance tomorrow, then we can go ahead and look for targets that might be on top of this candle at 14,930, or it can as well be extended to 14,723. Now, all of this is practically very, very important. So we need to keep this in mind and try to understand and see how this would work. So this would basically be a point that you would need to analyze. So let us look at what SBI did yesterday. So SBI, I did have, I did tell you that there is a position, but there was a breakout, but it did not sustain. It came down. And where in terms of Adani, Adani is still rocking very hard, after 13,000, 1300 being the support, it rallied up to close to somewhere around 3 points once again onto the top. And in terms of Bajaj Auto, is the new stock that I want you to keep in mind. So it has been rallying over a period of time, and they can also be a target if it takes out the high of tomorrow at 4,067. It can even reach to 4,217. So these are the levels for tomorrow. I hope these help you. And if there are any questions, do let me know. I wish you a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, take care. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.